Among the 5 suspects who appeared in the Alice Magistrate's Court on murder and attempted murder charges are employees of the University of Fort Hare. They briefly appeared on charges linked to the murder of the vice-chancellor's bodyguard, Mboneli Vesele, and the institution's former fleet and transport manager, Petrus Roets. Vesele was killed during an alleged attempt on Professor Sakhela Buhlungu's life. The case will resume on the 4th of May. Here's Newzroom Afrika's Siphosethu Booi.
University of Fort Hare Vice-Chancellor Sakhela Buhlungu has welcomed the arrest of a group of men who have allegedly terrorized the Fort Hare University community.
What assured me was an undertaking by the Commissioner and the Minister that a task team had been set up. And during this time, between that time and now, and I've said this before, we have seen the task team on the ground. But of course, I was not going to tell you in the media, but I've seen them hard at work.
Police Minister General Booi says a multidisciplinary team wasn't only established for this case, adding that similar teams are established nationally.
The police have done the work. The team tells us that the case is solid. We are briefed. We believe the team has done a good job. I heard the Magistrate or the presiding officer saying is a premeditated Schedule 6. That is something serious. You can't just go over it the next day and all that. But how long it will take and all that, maybe that's a question of the next segment of this trial, which is prosecution and all that. But from the side of the police, we believe we have done a good job.
The 5 suspects, Bongani Peter, Sakhela Buhlungu, Wanini Kuza, Thobisi Khanyile and Thobisi Dlamini Zondo face charges of murder, attempted murder, illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition, as well as fraud and corruption. More arrests in the case are expected.
2 of the suspects, as it is said, they are from KwaZulu-Natal, and the rest of the 3 are from here at Eastern Cape. We arrested them over the weekend, over the long weekend, hence they are appearing today. Where we arrested them, as I said, the 2 are not from this province. We arrested them outside KZN. The rest we arrested them here, and all over the long weekend.
The residents of Alice in the Eastern Cape say they are relieved by the arrests and have appealed for more police visibility in their communities.
Ezinto zecrime zifike zingasonwabisi because kaloku apho zenzeka khona zenzeka ubana zinobomi bomuntu so zange zisihlase kakubi kangangobana inyathelo ke ngoku edelithathwe ngugovernment wethu together namapolisa yonke lonto iye lonto isikhuthaze because yenza ukubana sibe nethemba ukubana icrime izoliwa ide iphela apha eMzantsi.
The case has been postponed to the 4th of May for bail application. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Siphosethu Booi in Alice.